Chioma came in.
Cassie! Cassie! Cassie!
Jumps and passed her. The uncle heard about it and had an intense conversation with Chioma on how to stop the strange disturbances in the house. Chioma seems not to be interested as she opted leaving the house because the only disturbances she is getting is from the uncles and the macabre. Again, the villagers demanded to dig up the corpse of Ebuka and perform some rituals before reburying him. The day set aside for the ritual finally arrived, and the villagers went to dig his grave but could not find his body. This caused an even bigger pandemonium as the priest led the villagers to the village square chanting war songs. That same night, Amaka was sleeping when a voice kept echoing, "Bury me.
Bury me. Bury me."
And she stood and walked outside as she follows the direction of the voice.
Bury me. Bury me.
At dawn, she wakes up outside the building and couldn't explain how she slept inside the building and woke up outside the building. It began to dawn on Chioma that there was something wrong indeed.
Jesus. I'm sorry I wasn't here for you all this while.
Chioma heard a strange screeches from the uncle's room and decided to see what it was. To her greatest surprise, as she opens the door, the uncle had a grin on his face, which rather looks suspicious of him. After a few minutes, the uncle was seen lying unconscious on the ground, but Chioma's curiosity grew the more, and she tries to know what is in the uncle's closet. She kept searching for the key and eventually finds it. She opens the inner room and could not find anything. She moves further to the closet and opens it. To her greatest surprise, she finds something strange, very, very strange. The corpse of Ebuka. And she demands to know what has happened to him. And the uncle confessed of being the murderer of Ebuka.
I told you it wasn't going to be a difficult job for me to do. Oh yes. But my question is this. How soon will it start producing the money? You know, the money is what is most important. You mean in 2 weeks I'm going to be super rich? Rich.
He explained how Amaka caught him in the act, and he threatened Amaka not to speak, else he would kill her, especially when Amaka noticed that he wasn't actually blind. But Amaka played along for fear of her life. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tales of Africa, for more true African stories.